those are not problems. They are a result of the problem. That's the innate intelligence showing you something is wrong, there's interference. If you've ever been affected by cancer or heart disease, I want you to stand up right now.
60,000 opportunities to put your body in a healing state with your DNA nucleus, meaning thoughts are a frequency. Thank you so much.
You're incredible, man.
Fantastic. What are they called? Yeah.
One of the keynote speakers today, Ben Azadi.
What's up, Lenny?
Ben.
So I just finished speaking on stage here at Keto Orlando Summit, and I spoke about the innate intelligence. The innate intelligence is the inner physician within your cells. There's no doctor, supplement, surgery, or shot that can replace the innate intelligence you have within your body right now. And I spoke about how ketones harness the innate intelligence to help you overcome symptoms like diabetes, autoimmune disease, cancer. And let's face it, symptoms are a gift from your innate intelligence. They are not the problem. They are a result of the problem. If you have a weight issue, it's a weight symptom, not a weight issue. And the innate intelligence, we want to find ways to activate it and harness it. And ketosis and intermittent fasting are two powerful ways to activate that innate intelligence.
Ben, it was a pleasure having you